Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to leverage the powerful tool that is Notion for your research projects. First up, let's create a new page in Notion. Click on the plus New Page button on the left sidebar. This page will be the home for all your research materials. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and in one place, making it easier to find and reference later. Now that we've done that, let's create some categories. Categories could be anything from books to read, articles, interviews, or data. To do this, click on the plus Add a subpage option under your research page. This helps us because it allows for better organization and structure of our research materials. Next up, we're going to utilize Notion's database feature. Click on the plus Create a Database button and select Table. In each category page, create a table where you can add entries with their respective details like title, author, summary, and link. This step is crucial as it provides a structured way to keep track of your research and get a quick overview of your resources. Finally, let's talk about tagging. Notion allows you to add tags to each entry. This is a great way to group related pieces of information together. For example, if you're researching on climate change, you could tag entries with global warming, renewable energy, carbon emissions, etc. This helps us filter and sort our data, making it easier to find related materials when we need them. And that's it. You've set up a robust research system on Notion. Remember, the beauty of Notion is its flexibility. Feel free to tweak this system to suit your needs better. By keeping your research organized and easily accessible, you can focus more on the analysis and less on the logistics. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.